Hello dear students. In this video you will learn about steric effect and its influence on strength of bases, nucleophilic substitution, elimination reactions and aromatic electrophilic substitution reactions. First we can see what is steric effect. Steric effect results from repulsions between valence electrons or non-bonded atoms or groups within a molecule come in close proximity to each other. That can be termed as a steric effect, and that steric effect makes the molecule unstable, and that results in increase in the energy of the system or molecule. It affects the shape, that is due to steric hindrance, and reactivity of organic molecules. For example, if you say the influence of steric effect on strength of bases, if you consider example 2,4,6 trinitroaniline is a weaker base than 2,4,6 trinitro N dimethyl aniline. First we can see the 2,4,6 trinitroaniline. In case of 2,4,6 trinitroaniline, the two hydrogen atoms, these are involved in hydrogen bonding with the nitro groups at ortho position, and due to which it holds the pi orbitals of benzene are parallel with the pair of electron or orbital that contains a lone pair of electron, and due to which the lone pair on nitrogen should be delocalized. You can write a resonance or delocalization, means here these pi electrons, non-bonding electrons are delocalized, and this is the resonance hybrid. Hence, or as the lone pair that is a delocalized or involved in a delocalization, that's why it is a less available for donation, and therefore it acts as a weaker base. Means 2,4,6 trinitroaniline, it acts as a weaker base, that is due to a delocalization of electrons or due to a resonance effect, as the planarity should be exist or remains due to hydrogen bonding. While in case of 2,4,6 trinitro-NN dimethyl aniline, the two bulkier methyl groups are present on the nitrogen atom as a substituent, and due to which there is a repulsive force or the steric hindrance should be present, because the nitro group present at ortho position that repels the methyl group, or there is a steric hindrance should be present, and to minimize this steric hindrance, the carbon nitrogen bond is rotated. Carbon nitrogen bond, this bond is rotated, and when this carbon nitrogen bond is rotated, that the methyl groups, they becomes perpendicular to a benzene, and when it becomes perpendicular to benzene, the planarity is lost. Means the orbital containing lone pair on nitrogen and pi orbitals, these are not in the same plane, and due to which the lone pair on nitrogen, it is not delocalized. It is not delocalized, that is due to loss of planarity. And as the lone pair on nitrogen, it is not involved in delocalization, the 2,4,6 trinitro-NN dimethyl aniline, it is a stronger base, as the lone pairs are donated or easily available for donation. Influence of a steric effect on the nucleophilic substitution. For example, if we see SN2 reaction, in case of SN2 reaction, nucleophile that attacks from backside of the leaving group, and then it gives the transition state, and as the substituents or the size of alkyl groups or the substituents on carbon atom, alpha carbon atom increases, the backside attack becomes difficult due to steric hindrance. Backside attack becomes difficult due to steric hindrance, and transition state that becomes more crowded. Transition state that becomes more crowded, and that's why the SN2 reaction is not possible, or the backside attack of nucleophile is not possible. But in that case, the leaving group can be departure first, and it gives the carbocation, means it does not react by SN2 mechanism, but by SN1 mechanism. First it gives the carbocation, and in carbocation the planar carbocation is generated, means it gives the relief from the steric hindrance, and then nucleophile should be attached here and reaction should be takes place. That's why what we can say that as the steric hindrance increases or crowding increases, backside attack becomes difficult, and that's why rate of SN2 reaction should be goes on decreasing, while the rate of SN1 reaction should be increases by the different factor, that is the carbocation should be stabilized. For example, if we consider or if you see the general reaction RBR, that is alkyl bromide, reacts with nucleophile OH minus I and it gives the alcohol. In that case, if we go from methyl to tertiary butyl, rate of SN1 reaction should be increases, while the rate of SN2 reaction should be decreases, as the size of alkyl group should be increases. Size of alkyl group should be increases, and that's why we can that methyl or the primary alkyl halides generally they can undergoes reaction by SN2 mechanism, while the secondary or tertiary alkyl halides they undergoes or they can react by SN1 mechanism. As steric hindrance increases, that mechanism should be goes from SN2 to SN1. Then if we see elimination reaction, in case of elimination reaction, two types of or there are the Sargep elimination or Hofmann elimination. If we compare Sargep elimination and Hofmann elimination, in case of Sargep elimination, the more substituted alkene can be formed as a major product, that is due to stability of alkenes, while in case of Hofmann elimination, less substituted alkene can be formed as a major product. Now first we can see Sargep elimination. In case of Sargep elimination, base abstracts a proton, then leaving group can be departure in a concerted path and it gives the transition state. Now as the substituents increases or size of base and the alkyl substituent should be increases, the transition state becomes more crowded, as base abstracts proton from more substituted carbon atom. That's why transition state for Sargep elimination becomes more crowded. While in case of Hofmann elimination, as base abstract the proton from less hindered side, that's why as the size of base and the substituents increases, the transition state should be less crowded, because the base should be attached from less hindered side, and then it gives the product here. This is the Hofmann product and this should be Sargep product. Means as the size of base or the substituents increases, the Sargep product should be decreases and Hofmann should be increases. For example, if you see first the nature of leaving group, means as the leaving group, size of leaving group should be increases, means if we go from bromo, then tosylate up to a tertiary quaternary ammonium salt, then the Sargep product or percentage of Sargep should be decreases, while the Hofmann product should be increases. Because as the size of this X increases, the transition state for a Sargep elimination becomes more crowded, and that's why the percentage of Hofmann should be increases or Hofmann elimination should be preferred one. Similarly, nature of base, means as the size of base increases, means from ethyl, if we go to triethyl or here a tertiary alkoxide, the Sargep product or percentage of Sargep product should be decreases, while the Hofmann should be increases. Similarly, if we say aromatic electrophilic substitution reaction, generally if the activator group is present, like electron donating substituent is present, then ortho and para products can be obtained as a major product. But among ortho and para, for example, if we consider a substitution reaction or orientation in a toluene, for example, if incoming electrophile is a nitronium ion, that is a nitration reaction, the percentage of ortho should be more as compared to para. In this case, the meta should be negligible one, because here the methyl group is an activator. But if we go from nitro to bromo, the ortho or percentage of ortho should be decreases, while the para should be increases, because the steric hindrance at ortho position should be increases. Means as incoming electrophile or size of incoming electrophile increases, steric hindrance should be increases, and due to which the percentage of para should be increases. that is, among ortho and para directors, the proportion of para product is generally higher than ortho, and that is due to steric factor. In this video, we learn about a steric effect and its influence on strength of bases, nucleophilic substitution, elimination reaction, and aromatic electrophilic substitution reaction. Thank you.